Hi there, this is Kaushik Ranchod. Welcome to our weekly immigration show. I feel so blessed that you are taking time out of your day to come and learn about your immigration options. Today we're talking about I-601A waivers, and this is the latest update regarding processing times for 2022. So stay tuned, and if you haven't already, smash the like button. And it's really important to remember to not give up hope, because we will try to help you in any way that we can if it's possible, or we'll be able to tell you whether or not anything's possible. So I invite you to contact us at 916-613-3553 if you have questions. Now let's get down to it. The first process is filing the I-130 petition. Once that gets approved, then it goes to the National Visa Center. The fee bills must be paid. Then you file the I-601A waiver. That's what we're going to be talking about today, because that is the most difficult part of the whole entire process. And you might be wondering, well, why am I going through all this trouble? Why am I waiting all this time to file? Well, the reason is because the big positive is that it allows you to get a green card if you have unlawful presence, where you entered without a visa and you've accrued unlawful presence. So if you're in this situation, I recommend you consult with an immigration attorney, because every case is unique, every fact pattern is different, but that's the basics. So back to the processing times. I-601A waivers filed, then it goes to the National Visa Center. Affidavit of support. The U.S. citizen has to demonstrate that they meet the affidavit of support requirements, or have a joint sponsor, or meet it based on assets. And I just put out a video on some of the myths about the affidavit of support, so check that out. Now, after that, the DS-260 is completed, other documentation submitted, then a whole nother step in the process. There's the U.S. Embassy process in the final interview, and then you come in with the green card. Now, for what you have been waiting for, what are the latest processing times as I give this video in September 2022? Well, I-601 waivers are currently taking about 12 months. This is an I-601, not to be confused with I-601A. I've seen this trend be steady for quite a few months. The administration has said times are supposed to come down. I've not seen it, but they are trying to hire more staff, so I am hoping that will be the case. This is what it is now. Now let's look at the I-601A. I-601As at the Nebraska Service Center is taking about 27 months, and at the Potomac Service Center, and forgive me if I'm saying that wrong, we didn't learn that in my geography class in grade school, but someone did mention in the comments, pronounce Potomac correctly. So I'm probably still getting it wrong. But anyways, you know what I'm talking about. It's taking about 35 months. So processing times, they're plus or minus a couple of months for the last few months, have not come down. In fact, they seem to be increasing a little bit, but I'm going to remain optimistic that they will come down, because that's what the administration has promised. We will see if that actually happens, but these are crazy, crazy, crazy processing times. So that is my expectation. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. By watching this video, you're bettering yourself. By bettering yourself, you're bettering our world. You are truly amazing. Thank you. Bye for now.